The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has already generated considerable buzz, despite its expected release early next year. Numerous leaks have surfaced regarding its features, performance, and design, providing insights into what users can expect from Samsung's next flagship. One of the biggest talking points around the S25 Ultra is its use of Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. According to tipster Taran Vats, who shared this information on Twitter, the device achieved impressive scores in a Geekbench test, with a single-core score of 3,069 and a multi-core score of 9,080. These numbers represent a significant improvement over its predecessor, the S24 Ultra. Interestingly, the test results hint that the clock speed might have been throttled down during the benchmarking process, suggesting the device has the potential for even better performance. While the S25 Ultra's performance is promising, it still has some competition in the flagship market, particularly from Apple's iPhone 16 Pro, which boasts a higher single-core score of 3,386, but falls short in multi-core performance with a score of 8,306. Another key point raised by Vats is that the S25 Ultra is likely to feature 12 GB of RAM, with a possibility of a 16 GB version for those looking for even more power. Additionally, although Vats typically reports on devices headed to India, where Exynos or MediaTek Dimensity chipsets are often used, he confirmed that the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will be a global standard for the S25 Ultra. Camera improvements are always a hot topic when it comes to Samsung's Ultra series. According to Ice Universe, a reliable source in the tech community, the overall camera setup is expected to remain mostly unchanged from the S24 Ultra. The device will likely feature the same 12-megapixel front-facing camera, a 50-megapixel main sensor, and similar 3x and 5x telephoto lenses. However, Ice Universe did mention that there could be an upgrade to the ultra-wide camera, which will reportedly use a 50-megapixel ISOCELL JN3 sensor, offering enhanced image quality and potentially better performance in low-light conditions. In a recent leak by Ice Universe on Twitter, the case for the Galaxy S25 Ultra was showcased, revealing important design details. The case maintains the same layout for the 4 primary lenses, suggesting no major changes in the camera setup. Cutouts for the laser rangefinder and LED flash also remain, hinting at similar autofocus and torch functionalities. The physical design of the S25 Ultra is expected to see minor tweaks rather than a full overhaul. Ice Universe shared leaked renders of the device's case on X, showing a more rounded design compared to its predecessor. While the overall layout of the cameras will likely remain the same, there are rumors that the camera rings might feature a bolder look, similar to the design seen on the Samsung Z Flip 6. The device is also expected to be lighter than both the S24 Ultra and the iPhone 16 Pro Max, coming in at 219 grams, according to CAD-based renders reported by Ice Universe. This weight reduction could make the phone more comfortable to hold and use, especially for those who found the previous model a bit too heavy. Battery life is always a crucial aspect of any flagship phone, and the S25 Ultra does not seem to disappoint. According to Ice Universe, the phone will feature a 5,000 mAh battery, the same as its predecessor. Charging speeds will also remain unchanged, with support for 45-watt wired charging, offering fast top-ups for users on the go. Another exciting feature that has been rumored is the integration of enhanced health and fitness monitoring features, especially for users who own the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Ring. While details remain scarce, this could signal Samsung's commitment to pushing deeper into the health tech space, potentially offering new ways to monitor vitals, sleep patterns, and fitness activities directly from the phone in conjunction with the wearable. Based on the leaks, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be officially unveiled in January 2025, following Samsung's typical release schedule for its flagship devices. As for the price, while there hasn't been any official word yet, the S25 S25 Ultra is likely to be priced similarly to the S24 Ultra, which starts at around $1,200. Given the incremental updates rather than revolutionary changes, it's expected that Samsung will stick to its current pricing strategy. Do you think the incremental improvements will be enough to keep Samsung's flagship at the top of the smartphone market? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe for more updates as we get closer to the official release date.